Hello and welcome to another update about the Euro-USD Forex pair from an Elliott wave point of view. It's good to see that this analysis is playing out further. Already since I think I started to cover the Euro-USD pair here first on the channel, the focus was on further upside. It seems like we are indeed breaking out to the upside. Coupled with that, the forecast for the DXY was bearish, which we also see play out at the moment. So it's quite good to see these two updates or these two forecasts being respected by the market. Here, looking at the Euro-USD pair, oh dear, we see further upside, and that's in line with previous updates. Okay, so the idea is that we are currently moving up in this third wave of a third wave within a larger B wave, for example. Yeah, this is one idea I have. Zooming out further, actually, maybe we should do that first. You can see that the current idea is that the DXY is not the DXY, that the Euro-USD pair is in this downtrend that started up here at this A wave top in 2008. So we're talking about a very, very long-term decline here. And the pullback is seen as a B wave. And in one scenario, the B wave is just sort of nearly finished, and we might just see one more low in wave 5 of C of B. In another scenario, we have started a larger B wave rally, and we would see another larger C wave to the downside eventually. So long term, still further downside expected. However, here this is a bounce that's unfolding, and the initial bounce that we saw from the 2022 low was quite impulsive. So expectations are for further upside, but only in a larger corrective rally as an A, B, C structure, for example. And here there are two scenarios I'm following. So in one scenario, the B wave bottomed here on the 3rd, or at least in October last year. And we're now forming a, let's say a series of 1-2, 1-2 setups. So 1-2, 1-2, and we're now in the third wave to the upside. This is one scenario. In another scenario, the B wave is actually a triangle. It wouldn't make a great difference in both scenarios. We're looking for higher prices. It may just have a small impact on upside targets. But for now, I'm following this direct upside scenario in which the third wave is unfolding. And what we can do is also to add the next Fibonacci extension targets here for the third wave based on this 1-2 setup, which bottomed in April this year. We can take the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2, and then we typically say that a third wave should reach minimally, I mean, in Forex, the 1.236 extension is absolutely fine. That would be $1.15. Looking at the microstructure, it seems as if we might push even a little higher, maybe to $1.16, which is the 1.38 extension in this third wave. Then we should see another fourth wave and a fifth wave to wrap it all up. At the moment, if we're pushing higher, I have to go to the smaller time frame chart. Then what we can do is to add the next Fibonacci support zone, because if anybody sort of took the trade to the upside from an Elliott wave point of view, what would be standard Fibonacci support? I'd normally track the 50% retracement. From an Elliott wave point of view, there isn't really any other support level available. If you're trading Forex, like very short term, you probably need like just to draw a trend line here or something that will give you an indication of when the immediate uptrend is over. But the Elliott wave structure isn't going to fail until we break below $1.09, the 50% retracement of the current third wave. Because if the price breaks below that, or the exchange rate, you could say, breaks below it, then we are looking at a break of structure, a break of the impulsive upside structure in a third of a third wave. Shouldn't be a surprise that we're going up quite aggressively, because we are in a third of a third wave, typically the strongest element of a trend. If you watch the DXY video as well, then you know that on the DXY, we're looking at a third of a third wave to the downside, so it matches quite well. That's the update about Euro-USD. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, have a great weekend. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.